Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make instant crispy chicken fry recipe. We can keep the marinated chicken safely in a refrigerator for up to 3 days. When you need it, just fry it. So that you can enjoy the crispiness, let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 500 grams of chicken with bones. Add 3 tablespoons corn flour, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Keep marinated for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we can fry the chicken pieces. In a pan, take 3 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add the chicken pieces and fry until it becomes light brown color on medium flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Transfer it into a plate. Our instant crispy chicken fry recipe is ready. It's so yummy. We can make this recipe in 15 minutes.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.